Today I find myself in Covent Garden. Well, actually if you look around me you will see that I find myself in a back street of Covent Garden. But the reason I'm in Covent Garden today is because we are on a fashion photo shoot with a couple of friends of mine, and because when I asked what types of videos a lot of you would want to see, a lot of you responded that you would want to see kind of behind the scenes stuff, how we do different videos and things like that. I thought, why not bring you guys along on the photo shoot today so that you can see how we do it. So I'm going to go back and join the rest of the team because I think I'm holding them up. One of the many really pretty areas of London, and we're setting up the camera gear. This is how we do it. So instead of using a counterweight, we are using, what is that?
It's his battery charger.
Pip's laptop battery charger. So we've done for some photography, now we're switching over to video. I'm going to try and get some more stuff. Get some motion in there. Motion of the people. Motion of the tourists. Motion of the loud tourists. God, listen to them. One big downside of shooting in a place like Covent Garden is the... Hey, hello!
Hello!
One more photographer, thank God.
Photographer.
Thank God. Look who's here.
Nice to meet you. Andy, nice to meet you. Yeah, nice to meet you. God, I'm so sorry.
One tip that I think a lot of people can give when it comes to these mobile photo shoots is you should definitely have a good sense of humour.
We played pool for like 8 hours. I know, that's the point!
How many hours? 8?
8. Close to 8 hours. I was challenging almost everyone.
How drunk were you? As if, like me, your cohort likes cracking jokes in between the sessions, it usually makes the experience a lot more fun. So we are now moving to another location. We don't know where, we don't know why. I'm just going with the flow. I'm going with what the director and the current DP is doing, because everyone loves it, right? Wow, that's the most majestic I've ever seen him look.
This is my baby now.
This is Yugs, baby. It is your bébé.
It is my bébé.
Bébé, salut.
Bébé, salut.
Well done, Pip. We are now in Pip's back alley. Okay. So yeah.
I don't want it. In Pip's back alley.
Whoop.
Boy.
God, I hit a camera with a paper bag.
Nope.
What next?
Just imagine like this. Wait.
The richest photographer ever. That's how he takes his...
Oh my God, the sun's out.
Suddenly I can't see your right.
Wait, I can't see.
Open it up, let me see.
Oh, I can't see. Oh, there it is.
Oh, that's so
I can see
weird. It. The bunny hop. These mobile fashion shoots essentially involve a lot of walking, unpacking, dressing, setting up, shooting, repacking, and more walking. Rinse and repeat, and that's pretty much the life of a nomadic filmmaker, and one that I'm slowly starting to love.